Hey, you guys, this is Michelle coming to you from my upstairs. Just so you know, new background behind me. My fiance put up his favorite barn painting. Psst, I hate it. Anyway, not the point. So I wanted to give you kind of some details about Mastery 5 that's going to be happening this week. So last week we did a lot of review. The only thing we didn't review was systems of equations. So I'm going to be posting 3 different videos this week talking about the different methods of graphing, using substitution and elimination. So those are totally optional. There's nothing you need to complete for a grade, but I just want to make sure that I give you some kind of review before you do that on Mastery Assessment 5. So just kind of thinking about Mastery Assessment 5, it's going to be done on a different platform. Please know this will be a timed test. So it's about 50 minutes is what it should take you, but you have up to 75. So please know after 75 minutes, your test will shut off and whatever you have scored, that will be your final grade. Please know, I know this is a different platform and we're all learning, we're all doing whatever. So I don't want you to freak out if you're like, I did horrible on that. We can adjust your grades and like figure things out, do retakes, whatever we need to do. So I don't want you to freak. I just want you to do your best. So I know, because I know half of the time we did a class in class, the other half was through remote learning. So I understand, like, it's been very weird, totally get it. I don't want you to freak out at all about your grade. We will totally adjust. But what I do need to know is where are we at? What do we need to review? Things like that. So I just kind of want to put that out there, like, do not stress at all. But I do need you to give me your full participation in this, and also make sure that you are trying your best. A couple things. So I know it's online, right? So I know the idea of like, oh, I'll just search this is very easy to do. But please know we've altered our test, so it's not mainly like multiple choice, like, what's this answer? So there's going to be a lot more of you having to explain things and do things in a different manner. You know how to do all of this, so please just make sure you read every question fully so you fully know what I'm looking for in your answers. Another thing about that, so we all know cheating's not good. You guys are all amazing young adults, so I know you would never do that. But please know, with this test, I tried to answer all the questions with photomath. The answers are not correct. So please do not try to use photomath. I mean, I know you guys would not do that, but please don't try to do that because I did it with photomath and the answers are not correct. Also, if you're like doing Google searches, I did that as well, and the answers do not come up correct. And the other thing is it's going to be very time consuming if you're trying to search for answers, right? So remember, you have 75 minutes. So my big thing is you guys know what to do. You've been doing great. Please, I just want you to tell me what you know right now, right? I don't want to know what Google knows or anything else. I need to know, what do you know? Along with that, something. Hey darlings, this is Miss Shelley. I'm coming to you from the upstairs. Just so you know, my fiance put up his barn painting that he loves. Psst, I hate it. Anyway, that's not the point. So the point of this video is I really want to talk to you about what's going to happen this week. So this week, I'm going to be releasing the Mastery Assessment 5. Please note the only thing that we have not, last week we started reviewing, right? So the only topic we did not get to was systems of equations. So I'm going to be uploading 3 videos talking about the various methods that we use for solving. One is graphing, one is substitution, and one is elimination. If you feel comfortable with graphing, you don't have to watch it, right? These are all optional. I just want to make sure I give you plenty of review before we do the mastery assessment. So the only assignment that you have to turn in this week is the mastery assessment. Just so you know, the mastery assessment, it's designed to be about 50 minutes, but you have up to 75 minutes to take it. One thing I want you to know is I know it's been weird, like half the class was done in class, half was done with remote learning, so I know it's been weird, right? So I do not want you to freak out about grades. We can adjust that. We can do retakes. We can do whatever you need. Please do not freak out about this. But what I do really need to know is, what do you know right now, right? So what I need to know is, what are we cool with? What do we need to review? What do we need to reteach? What do we need to do? So what I really need from you is to try your best. Do not rush through this. But do remember there is a 75-minute time limit. But please try your best. Don't freak if you don't know an answer. Show me what you do know. Please give me any feedback, any thoughts, anything like that, so that way I can make sure we are good moving forward. So again, please do not freak about grades. We can deal with it. Kind of along the guideline with grades. So we know cheating's not cool, right? None of you would ever do that because you are young, fine, upstanding citizens, right? But a couple things I do want you to know. So these questions are not going to be very simply like, what is the answer to this? It's going to be that you have to tell me kind of your thought process. You know the answers to all of these, but it's going to be a little bit more of you explaining. So a couple things to know. One is after I remade this test, I did every question in PhotoMath and the answers come back wrong. Please do not try to use PhotoMath. Same thing with Google search. When I put them in, the answers came back completely wrong. So please do not try to use PhotoMath, Google search, anything like that, because your answers will come back incorrect. Again, you know what to do, right? So please just try your best. And again, do not freak about grades. One other thing, this will be released by Monday at like 8-ish. It'll be released early. I highly, highly suggest do not do this Monday morning first thing, right? Just like coming back after a weekend, you would not want to do a test. Please, I would highly suggest not doing this first thing Monday. Please come to my office hours. Remember, I have office hours from 10 to 11 every Monday through Thursday, and also 2:30 to 3:30. So please come to my office hours. Ask me any questions, anything like that. Or if you just want some more help, please come to my office hours. Do not do this first thing on Monday. That's my high suggestion. Okay, so you guys all know my phone number. You know my email. You know whatever. Please join me for office hours and text me any questions you have. All right, love you guys. You're going to do great on this mastery assessment. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye-bye.